Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I trust you are all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and tuning in today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Barbara. I go by the name of Simple Yet Stylish on all socials, and I upload fashion and personal style content. So if any of those topics are of interest to you, then consider hitting the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your ongoing support. Now, as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, we are going to be looking at luxury or designer handbags that are currently retailing for less than £500. Now, I have created a number of these videos in the past, specifically last year, and for the most part, it performed very, very well. And amongst the viewers, a lot of you were happy with it. With everything that's going on in the world right now, prices are through the roof. And I always say this, I always add this disclaimer at the start or at the end of my videos. So whenever you come across a luxury piece, whether it's a handbag, a pair of shoes, a garment that is retailing at a somewhat affordable price, it's good to grab it, especially if you have it on your radar or on your wish list. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. So the first bag that I would like to talk about is this Baguette Flat Pouch Mini from Fendi. Now this retails for £440. I think this is a very good price considering the brand as well. Fendi is a luxury fashion house, so their prices tend to be up there, especially when it comes to their bags. You typically find decent sized bags, or their iconic sort of signature style bags retailing for well over £1,500. So to find a bag that retails for less than £500 is an absolute steal. Now this color that we are looking at is the verbena green, and it's a denim fabric, or it's, should I say, actually it has a denim effect, and it's got the signature logo on both sides of the bag as well as the logo on the zip as well. I think that's a nice touch to add a lot more detail to the bag, and this is great for the maximalist as well as the minimalist, but for anyone that is looking to add more definition, more texture to your wardrobe, to your accessories and your handbags, this would be a great bag to opt for. Now we'll get into the size in a second. I'm hoping that the size is in the description, but looking at it, the description is basically in the name. It's a flat baguette, so it's sort of like a rectangular shape, but I also love the curved sides at the bottom of either side of the bag. It's not too sharp, it's given that defined shape, but it also adds curved lines, which I always love. And I always talk about having that perfect balance with your style when you mix sharp lines or sharp bold shapes with curved edges as well. In terms of the inside of the bag, the interior of the bag, I think there's just one compartment. It is a very small bag. Based on the pictures, it's a very small bag, so there's just one compartment in there. And typically it's the type of bag that you would carry if you're going somewhere and you don't need to pick up a lot of contents with you. So I wouldn't advise you to obviously get something like this as a work bag. You can get it for if you're going out to brunch or going out for an evening occasion. This would be a great piece to opt for. You can also remove the chain and you can hold it as like a pouch or a small clutch bag, which is great because we love versatility on this channel. But other than that, the chain strap is also nice, and the gold hardware does add that extra detail. Now, based on the description, it says the measurements in terms of height is 8.2 centimeters, the depth is 1.5 centimeters, and the width is 14 centimeters. So it is a very small bag. Very small bag, but nonetheless we love it on this channel. So hopefully if you like it too, I will link it down below and you can definitely have a look at it and grab it if it is on your radar. I'm not sure if it comes in any other colors. I think I've seen a denim. Hold on. I think I'm see. Okay, so I'm seeing a denim one, but this is the baguette pouch, and this actually retails for £990. So it doesn't fall under the £500 mark. But back to the initial one that we were talking about. This is a great bag, so let me know what you think of it in the comments. Next up, we've got the Demellier Stockholm bag. Now, we've talked about Demellier a number of times on this channel. I think I dedicated a video in 2025 to Demellier bags. I'm not quite sure, but I think I did. But either way, we've talked about Demellier in detail on this channel. Now, this is the Stockholm bag. This is the midi size. So in terms of size, versatility, how practical it is, it is a great, 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 great size. I also love the overall doctor shape of this bag. It does come in a number of neutral colors. I'm seeing gray, I'm seeing brown, I'm seeing tan brown, I'm seeing a slightly nude. I think I'm seeing a black suede as well, which is absolutely gorgeous. So I'll pop that one on screen. And this bag retails for £450. So that is a great price, a very, very good price for a bag of this size from a designer brand. Now, it says in the description that this is the Midi Stockholm. It is an effortlessly versatile bag shaped by a minimal yet considered design. Its softly curved silhouette brings an effortless ease, while integrated handles ensure durability, exceptionally crafted without compromising style. There is a lot more to read, but I will pop the link in the description box below so you can have a look at that. Now, in terms of the exact sizing, the top width is 31 centimeters, the zip opening is 41 centimeters, the base width is 34 centimeters, the height is 20 centimeters, and I'll just add the handle drop is 12.5 centimeters. You've got a lot more information in terms of the sizing, the crossbody strap, and all of that stuff in the description, so you can have a look at that. But overall, I just think this is a great bag. It's a great work bag. Maybe not so much of a travel bag because of the size, but if you are traveling and you happen to use this type of bag and you don't have too many things to carry your overhead luggage, then this would be a great bag to opt for. I absolutely love the shape. I love the overall look of this bag, and back to the crossbody, it adds versatility. So this would be a great piece to pick up. Next, we have the Burberry bowling bag. Now, in the previous video, we did talk about, I think, one Burberry bag, or maybe two, I think one Burberry bag, which I absolutely loved. And you know how the algorithm works. Since we talked about that bag, I've been seeing a lot more of it being suggested to me in ads on social media. But this is the mini check bowling bag. And oh, wait, hold on. This is a kid's bag. Oh, I didn't even realize that. Well, listen, if you want to carry this as an adult, by all means, go ahead and do whatever floats your boat. But this is actually a kid's bag. It says here it's for 18 to 14 years. So, wow. Anyway, this is the sand beige mini check bowling bag, and this retails for £495. So £5 below 500. And I think this is a really nice bag. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton bag, which is now back at the forefront of fashion, which I'm absolutely loving. And this style of Burberry bag is very classic. It's very, very much a classic bag. Now let's check the size and fit. It says it's 16 by 9 by 11. So it's a very small bag. Oh no, that's the strap. That's the strap drop. The bag is 35 centimeters. So that's a very small bag. So I understand why it's being advertised for children. But like I said, if this floats your boat, then by all means, go ahead and grab it. If I was into this bag, I would definitely pick this up and I would wear it. I don't care if it's for children. I would definitely wear this bag. I think it's nice. It's cute. It's got the crossbody strap, which is adjustable. And then, of course, you've got the top handle, which I absolutely love, and the signature Burberry detail that runs across the entire bag. So not much to say except this bag retails for less than £500. So if you are into it, despite the fact that it's a kid's bag, definitely look into it and pick it up. Next up, we've got a bag from Polène. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. We'll just get the price out the way. It retails for £260. I just think this is so cute. In terms of shapes and sharp lines, this bag just ticks all the boxes for me. So I think I'm definitely going to place this on my wish list. It also comes in so many colors. I'm seeing a powder blue, I'm seeing a tan brown, I'm seeing sort of like a nudish blush pink, I'm seeing silver, butter yellow, white, and of course the black one pictured on screen. It says that this is the edition duo in black. What I love about this bag is, as small as it is, it's a shoulder bag. You can also wrap it around your wrist and hold it as a clutch bag or a very long, sort of elongated wallet. I love the texture of this bag. It's giving Bottega vibes, but it's not exactly duping the signature Bottega interweaved lock. I also love the closure of this bag. I just think it's just so gorgeous. And for £260, I know this is small, but I have been, and I'm not sure if I've said this on my channel, but I have been looking for a nice clutch bag that I can wear in the evenings, specifically in the evenings. But if I wanted to wear it during the day for a special occasion, I can pick that up as well. And I've been looking at like the YSL ones and other ones from different fashion houses, and they are all retailing for around £1,400 plus. But I think I'm going to invest in this one because this is absolutely gorgeous, and I can see myself styling this in various ways for an evening event. I also love how smooth and soft it looks. I love the braiding. I love the leather working technique. I love the interweaving. It's very smooth, yet it has texture as well. So I think they've created the perfect balance between the the overall design of this bag, and I just think it's great. Like I said, it retails for £260 and it comes in various different colors, so be sure to check it out because so far I think this is the best bag we've talked about in this video. We've got another bag that retails for a very, very good price, and this is the interchangeable strap leather clutch bag from Verafied. Now, I don't know much about Verafied. I did come across it in Selfridges a few weeks ago, and I must say they have some very, very beautiful, beautiful bags. And I love their price point as well. For the most part, a lot of the bags are retailing for less than £500, and they've got beautiful neutral colors. The leather and the overall craftsmanship seems to be great because I've seen it in person. And I just think it's a great brand to opt for if you don't want to spend too much on designer bags. This bag, I have seen it in brown as well. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I love the fact that you can wear this as a clutch and you can also wear it over your shoulders. In terms of the compartments, I believe it has 3 compartments from when I saw it in store, but I will pop the information on screen for you because the website is not giving me much. But I love the closure of the bag. I love this black with the silver hardware. I also love the overall design. It's that east-west shape, but it's slightly small at the top and then it gets slightly larger at the bottom. So it's sort of giving a pyramid shape, but it's not too dramatic. It's soft, it's subtle, but it makes a statement. Now, this retails for £370 if I haven't mentioned already. So again, great price point, and I would highly recommend you check out other bags from Verafied as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite bag is from this video. Also, let me know if there are any luxury handbags or designer handbags on your radar that retail for £500. I think it's very, very important that we share this information because, like I said at the start of the video, the prices are through the roof. So to come across good quality luxury designer great craftsmanship handbags is an absolute game changer. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a big thumbs up as it is a great indication that you enjoy this type of content. Share it with anyone that you feel will benefit or enjoy this type of content as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.